Every day, millions of people go to work with the expectation of returning home safe and sound. This is our main goal at Occupational Safety and Health Certification Hub, OSHACH. The founder, Houston Baker, states, "During my career, I have memories of going to the emergency room for personal treatment, taking people to the emergency room, and having to apply first aid on the job site. It is important that you understand all the subject matter on this video. We encourage you to watch other videos beyond ours to increase your knowledge on workplace safety. Employees trust that their employers have taken the necessary steps to provide a secure and healthy environment. The consequences of these incidents can be devastating, impacting not only the individuals directly involved, but also their families and coworkers. Workplace safety is a critical aspect of any successful operation, ensuring the well-being of its most valuable asset, its people. By fostering a culture of safety, organizations can create a work environment where employees feel protected and valued. Neglecting workplace safety can have severe consequences, impacting individuals, organizations, and society. Ignoring safety protocols increases the risk of accidents, injuries, and illnesses. The human toll includes pain, suffering, lost wages, and even death. Financially, it leads to lost productivity, higher insurance premiums, and legal expenses. Negative publicity can damage an organization's reputation. The cost of neglecting workplace safety is simply too high. Creating a culture of safety requires the active participation of everyone in the organization, from top management to frontline workers. Leadership plays a crucial role in shaping a culture of safety. When management provides the necessary resources, training, and support, employees are more likely to follow suit. Regular safety meetings and open communication channels are essential components of a strong safety culture. By working together, employers and employees can create a workplace where everyone feels valued and protected. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, provides regulations to prevent workplace injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. Established in 1970, OSHA operates under the U.S. Department of Labor to ensure safe working conditions for American workers. OSHA sets and enforces standards, provides training, and encourages continuous improvement in workplace safety. These standards cover a wide range of workplace hazards and industries. Employers must comply with OSHA standards and ensure workplace safety. OSHA conducts inspections to verify compliance and support employers in addressing hazards. OSHA's commitment to safety has saved countless lives and prevented injuries and illnesses. Section 2. Employer Responsibilities. Providing a safe and healthy workplace. Employers bear the primary responsibility for ensuring a safe and healthy work environment. Creating a safe workplace requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. Employers must provide a workplace free from recognized hazards. They must also provide information and training on workplace hazards. A safe workplace fosters a productive and engaged workforce. Regular safety drills and feedback sessions are essential for maintaining safety standards. Section 3. Employee Responsibilities. Active participation in safety. Employees play a crucial role in maintaining a safe work environment. Safety requires active participation from everyone. Employees must follow safety rules and procedures. This includes wearing protective equipment and reporting hazards. Never take shortcuts or engage in unsafe practices. Participate in safety training and ask questions. Report safety concerns to supervisors. Open communication is key to preventing accidents. Section 1. Recognizing the enemy. Understanding workplace hazards. In the ongoing battle for workplace safety, it is essential to know thy enemy. Workplace hazards pose significant threats to employees and the success of an organization. Understanding these hazards, their impact, and how to mitigate them is crucial. Hazards can be physical, chemical, biological, or ergonomic. Physical hazards include slippery surfaces, falling objects, and noise. Chemical hazards are often invisible but equally dangerous. Biological hazards involve harmful agents like bacteria and viruses. Ergonomic hazards stem from repetitive motions and awkward postures. By understanding and controlling these hazards, organizations can foster a safe and productive work environment. Section 2. Physical hazards. A myriad of potential dangers. Physical hazards in the workplace can lead to injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. These hazards arise from the environment, equipment, and work processes. Recognizing and addressing these hazards is crucial for safety. Slippery surfaces can cause slips, trips, and falls. We also offer an e-course and certification on slip, trip, and fall prevention. Wet floors, spills, and uneven surfaces contribute to this hazard. Proper housekeeping. According to the founder of OSHACH, Houston Baker, poor housekeeping has caused several accidents. One real-life experience was when a stack of bricks fell from the 5th floor and rained down through the scaffolding. The guy working down below yelled out, "You missed me! You missed me!" We laughed because no one got hurt. Falling objects are significant hazards in construction and manufacturing. Tools and materials dropped from heights can cause serious injuries. Toe boards, safety nets, and hard hats can prevent incidents. Excessive noise can lead to hearing loss and stress. Noise barriers and quieter equipment reduce noise exposure. Limiting exposure time and providing hearing protection are crucial. Extreme temperatures pose significant risks to worker health. Heat stress and cold stress can cause serious health issues. Adequate ventilation and protective clothing mitigate these risks. Addressing physical hazards requires engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment. Implementing these measures creates a safer and healthier workplace. Section 3. Chemical hazards. Silent and invisible threats. Chemical hazards, often lurking unseen in the workplace, pose significant risks to worker health and safety. These hazards involve exposure to harmful chemicals that can enter the body through various routes, including inhalation, skin absorption, and ingestion. Understanding the nature of chemical hazards, their potential effects, and how to control exposure is essential in protecting workers. Chemicals can exist in various forms, each with unique properties and hazards. Liquids, such as solvents, cleaners, and acids, can cause skin irritation, burns, and poisoning. Solids, including powders, dusts, and fibers, can irritate the respiratory system, skin, and eyes. Section 1. Safety Data Sheets, SDS. Your Guide to Chemical Safety. Knowledge is power, especially with hazardous chemicals. SDSs provide comprehensive information about chemical hazards and safe handling. Prepared by manufacturers, SDSs detail physical and chemical properties, health hazards, and safety procedures. The SDS follows a standardized format for consistency. 16 sections cover specific aspects of hazards and safety. SDSs should be readily accessible to all employees. Regular training ensures everyone knows how to use SDSs effectively. Keep SDSs up to date and review them regularly. Safety is a team effort. Stay informed, stay safe. Section 2. Decoding the SDS. Understanding the key information. Navigating a safety data sheet, or SDS, can seem daunting. Understanding key sections and symbols is crucial for safety. Section 2. Hazards. Identification provides an overview of hazardous properties. It includes hazard classification, signal word, and hazard statements. Hazard classification categorizes the chemical's potential hazards. Signal words indicate the severity of the hazard. Hazard statements describe the nature of the hazard. Section 4. First aid measures outlines steps for exposure. It provides instructions for different exposure routes. Indicates when medical attention is necessary. Section 8. Exposure controls, personal protection, details measures to minimize exposure. Engineering controls and personal protective equipment are specified. Understanding these sections empowers workers to make informed safety decisions. Section 3. Labeling and signage. Clear communication for safety. Labeling and signage are crucial in workplace safety, conveying hazards, procedures, and exits. Clear, concise labels and signs provide a universal language, ensuring everyone is informed. Chemical containers need meticulous labeling to communicate hazards. Labels must include the chemical's name, signal word, and hazard statements. Pictograms offer a quick way to identify chemical hazards. For example, a flame symbol indicates flammability. Signage marks hazardous areas and provides emergency instructions. Warning signs alert workers to potential hazards. Mandatory signs indicate required actions. Emergency signs provide directions for exits and first aid. Effective signage requires careful planning and execution. Section 1. Emergency Preparedness. Planning for the unthinkable. In an ideal world, workplaces would be free from emergencies. Unfortunately, accidents and unforeseen events can and do occur. Fires, chemical spills, natural disasters, and medical emergencies can strike without warning. That's why it's crucial to have a robust emergency preparedness plan. It's about minimizing harm and ensuring a swift response. A well-designed plan guides employees on what to do and where to go. Regular drills and training are essential. By investing in preparedness, workplaces can create a culture of safety and resilience. Section 2. Creating an Emergency Action Plan. A roadmap for safety. A well-crafted Emergency Action Plan, or EAP, is the cornerstone of any comprehensive emergency preparedness program. This written document serves as a blueprint for action, outlining the specific steps to be taken in response to various potential emergencies that could occur in the workplace. The EAP should be tailored to the unique hazards and risks present in each specific work environment. The first step in developing an EAP is to conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential hazards. This assessment should consider both internal and external factors. Once potential hazards have been identified, the next step is to develop specific procedures for responding to each type of emergency. These procedures should include clear instructions on how to report the emergency, evacuation routes, and accounting for all employees. Section 3. Drills and Training. Preparing for the Unexpected. Having a well-written Emergency Action Plan, or EAP, is essential. The true test of any plan lies in its practical application during an actual emergency. Regular drills and training exercises provide employees with the opportunity to practice their roles. Drills allow employees to familiarize themselves with evacuation routes and emergency procedures. They provide a safe setting to identify gaps in the EAP and make necessary adjustments. Regular drills reinforce the importance of emergency preparedness. The frequency and type of drills depend on workplace hazards and EAP complexity. Workplaces with hazardous chemicals may conduct drills more frequently. Complex evacuation procedures may require different types of drills. Training should include first aid, CPR, fire extinguisher use, and hazard recognition. Providing knowledge and skills ensures a safe work environment where employees feel empowered. Section 1. Responding to Emergencies. A Race Against Time. When an emergency strikes in the workplace, every second counts. A swift and coordinated response can mean the difference between life and death. The initial moments are often chaotic, making it crucial to have a clear plan and trained individuals. Remain calm, assess the situation, and identify hazards. Activate the emergency alarm system to alert others. If there's an immediate threat, evacuate to the designated assembly point. If trained, you may attempt to control a small emergency. Contact emergency services with clear information. Quick thinking, decisive action, and clear communication are key. First aid basics, the first line of defense. First aid can stabilize a victim's condition and improve recovery chances. Trained employees can significantly impact outcomes before emergency services arrive. Assess the scene for safety before approaching a victim. Ensure the area is free from hazards to avoid putting yourself at risk. Check the victim's responsiveness and breathing. If unconscious and not breathing, initiate CPR and call 911. Apply direct pressure to control bleeding. Cool burns with running water for at least 10 minutes. Immobilize suspected fractures or sprains. Keep the victim comfortable until emergency services arrive. Section 3. Evacuation Procedures, ensuring orderly and safe egress. Well-defined evacuation procedures and trained employees ensure a calm and orderly exit. Regularly review and practice the emergency action plan through drills. Include multiple evacuation routes in the plan. Clearly mark routes with illuminated exit signs. Designate safe assembly points for head counts. Follow instructions from evacuation wardens. Assist those who need help if safe. Never use elevators during an evacuation. Stay at the assembly point until instructed otherwise. Do not re-enter the building until authorized. Clear procedures and regular practice create a culture of preparedness. Ergonomics, enhancing comfort and safety. Ergonomics designs workplaces to fit workers' needs, promoting safety and preventing injuries. Good posture, minimal strain, and reduced repetitive motions enhance comfort and productivity. Ergonomics applies to offices and industrial sites, offering numerous benefits. Properly designed workstations prevent back pain, neck strain, and carpal tunnel syndrome. In industrial settings, ergonomics reduces musculoskeletal injuries. Training on ergonomic best practices is essential. Regular assessments ensure ergonomic solutions remain effective. Prioritizing ergonomics enhances well-being and productivity. Section 2. Machine and tool safety, ensuring proper use and maintenance. Machine and tool safety is critical in industries using heavy machinery and power tools. Proper training, regular inspections, and adherence to safety protocols prevent accidents. Training is the foundation of machine and tool safety. Lockout/tagout procedures are essential for machine safety. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial. Emphasizing safety creates a safer work environment and improves productivity. Safety audits and briefings reinforce the importance of following protocols. Proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, is vital. Collaboration and communication enhance workplace safety. A commitment to safety ensures a productive and secure work environment. Chapter 21. Closing statements from our founder. Learning about basic safety is the first step for increasing your knowledge. Your profession will require lifelong learning. You need to consider classes such as OSHA 10 and OSHA 30. Always put safety number 1. Please encourage all of your friends and coworkers to join our team at the Occupation Safety and Health Administration Certification Hub, OSHACH, to become certified in basic safety. Be safe out there, and we will see you in the next e-course.